Welcome! If you've ever wanted to quickly find Instagram photos and videos where you were tagged just in the past week, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the latest way to filter your Instagram tagged posts by the past week, step by step, with the most recent update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to check. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now look to the top right corner. You'll see the familiar three-line menu icon. Tap on it. This opens up a menu with several options. From here, find and tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do, from your interactions to your tags. Inside the Your Activity page, scroll down and tap on Tags. This is where you'll see all the posts where you've been tagged by others. But if you're only interested in the most recent tags, there's a super handy feature you need to use. Look for the Filter by Date option at the top of the Tags page. Tap on it, and you'll see a few choices for how you want to filter your tagged posts. Select Past Week. Instantly, Instagram will update the list to show only the posts where you were tagged within the last 7 days. And that's it. Now you can easily keep track of your most recent tags without scrolling endlessly through old posts. Whether you're checking for new photos from friends, monitoring your online presence, or just staying organized, this feature makes it quick and simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.